that don't understand money work hard for money. Those of us that have cracked the code of money are lazy and make money. And if you want to make it easier for you and find the lazier way to make more money, this video is for you.
It's my East China. I'm an expert global business solutions expert and your real estate success strategist known as the mayor of How to Business channel, where I discuss only business and you can do business directly with me, called My Ace TV. And you can check it out right here. This channel is my personal contribution channel where I'll be giving you exceptional values on business, personal finance, personal development, and life success. And I'll be doing that with a lot of fun because my one word is fun. And I always seek, teach, inspire, create, collaborate. You can just call me the contributor. Join the exceptional 5% that will watch this video to the end because you're very special people and you're rare. Welcome on board. Let's learn to grow rich together. Welcome to my daily insights into my daily quotes with my Ace, where I give you a longer, deeper insight into my daily quotes for deeper secrets for your accelerated result. And this quote says, these are exciting times of super wealth because people are becoming more and more lazy. The more lazy people become, the more the diligent become super wealthy. I used to think the competition was fierce when everybody was hardworking, everybody was saving money, everybody was investing, everybody was endurance, everybody was resilient. It was so hard to make money then, and the wealth distribution was more general, especially at the dawn of the 20th century when Henry Ford discovered the production line system and the middle class of America was born. The middle class, everybody worked hard, everybody had a 9-to-5, everybody had a good salary, and everybody had a good life. But came this generation when scrolling became supplement for toiling. Instead of people to be toiling, they are scrolling. And the few people that produce what others are scrolling are becoming richer. But the generality of the public that are scrollers have become lazier. And the lazier they become, the more money available for those that are ready to do the work. And you no longer need to work as hard as you need to work in those days for you to make as much money in those days. And that's why you see there's a new wave of super billionaires, trillionaires. For the first time in history, we have a trillionaire that Tesla has even announced that they will soon pay him $1 trillion in Elon Musk. For you to be super wealthy in these times, all you need to do is just do the minimum required and you'll be rich beyond your widest imagination. And all you need to do is do these 6 things that people are too lazy to do. Number 1, people are too lazy to read because we are the age of AI. People want AI to reach for them, AI to think for them, AI to multiply things for them, AI to write for them. And guess what? If you are able to read and write what you read, especially journaling and manual writing and not typing, not only will you be smarter than 98% of the people, but you'll be richer. The second thing is that people are too lazy to train. Everybody is looking for a shortcut. Instead of you to jog for 30 minutes, people are looking for a machine that will give me the same effect of 30 minutes of jogging in 3 minutes. The more people are looking for shortcuts and doing less, the more if you can go the old school way and do the hard work, the more you will succeed. And this has become so apparent even in our football teams that we see that many of the footballers are not willing to work as hard as the old footballers, and the few of them that take the old path are excelling exceptionally. The third is that people are too lazy to experiment. Experimentations are now seen as obsolete because people want AI to think for them. They want the internet to research for them. Those that take the extra mile to actually experiment and actually record the result of those experimentations will be exceptionally rich. The fourth is where the rubber meets the road, and this is what will determine if you'll be super rich or just average in this age, and that is stopping to scroll. Everybody is addicted to this and the dopaminic dose of scrolling this. If
you want to be successful, you need to drop this for a week or two and work on yourself, work manually, work without this distractive device, and you will be surprised the clarity and the epiphanies you make and how much money it will make you. The fifth is that people are becoming too lazy to compound. Compound interest is so magnificent and wonderful and magical that Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. But many people are looking for instant gratification in this our microwave instant gratification age that many people are not willing to compound. It is the search for get rich quick and get instantaneous wealth that is making a lot of people do a lot of unbelievable things. But while they are wasting their time repeatedly doing those things and failing, if you can commit to going steady and compounding, you'll be rich beyond your wildest dream. Because in the story of the tortoise and the hare, this is the age of the tortoise. If you can be the tortoise and compound gradually and grow it, not only will you overtake all the hares jumping around erratically, distracted by instantaneous search for instantaneous get rich quick schemes, you'll be so rich to shock you. And finally, this is what will make your wealth timeless. It is many people are too lazy to beat the legends. Go behind and don't compare yourself the legends. Many people these days, because a lot of people are lazy, compare themselves to their peers and they are flying. But the real comparison is to compare yourself to the legends and become stronger than them. While I was in prison, I thought about Nelson Mandela. I was only in prison for 10 months, but he was in prison for 27 years. And he came out with a better goodwill and forgave the persons that put him in prison. And I came out, told myself I'll come out with a better goodwill and not only love and forgive those that put me in prison, but be an inspiration and a beacon of light. So when you're a footballer, don't just practice to compare yourself to the present Ronaldo. Practice to compare yourself to Ronaldo de Lima of Brazil and to Pele of the legendary Pele. So that when you can beat the legends, you're already flying above all your contemporaries. And these 6 things can beat all the lazy people by doing them. Not only will you be rich, but money will be chasing you wherever you go, and all your peers will see you like a superstar because they are too lazy to read. Read and you will make money. They are too lazy to train. Train and you'll be rich. They are too lazy to experiment. Experiment and you'll be rich. They are too lazy to abandon or leave scrolling. Leave scrolling and you'll be rich. They are too lazy to compound over time. Dare to compound your investment and you'll be rich. They are too lazy to beat the legends. Dare to beat the records of the legends and you'll be rich beyond your wildest dreams. And remember, our quote for the day says, these are exciting times of super wealth because people are becoming more and more lazy. And the more lazy people become, the more the diligent become super wealthy. Dare to be diligent for you to turn all these to opportunities for super wealth. So tell me in the comment below, which of these are you lazy to do and you're going to stop doing because of this video? For me, I've been too lazy to train because I'm busy trying to build a lot of things. I've been too lazy to train my body and it's been a challenge for me. I had to revamp my gym recently and I'm struggling to train. So I want to know which one you are too lazy. Don't lie. I want to read your comment in the comment section. And to see how you can turn complaints to money and how the rich are getting rich from complaints, click on the video above and I'll see you on the other side.
Hey, Lele, it is super duper amazing that you found my content valuable enough for you to watch till the end. Only 5% of exceptional people do that. You're exceptional and I deeply love and appreciate you. Hey, Lele, don't just watch to learn. Watch to take action. And the first action is subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss any of our daily value action. Remember, only doers are winners.